Good morning, friends. I am actually turning on the TV to watch Friends. I woke up late today. It's like 10:30, I think. Yeah, literally 10:36. I thought I was gonna wake up early because my boyfriend left even earlier today, and I went back to lay down. I tossed and turned for like 30 minutes, and I was like, I'm not going to sleep. And then next thing you know, I'm asleep. um, and then I woke up either at 9 or like 9 something or right at 10. And then I closed my eyes again, and then I woke up a little bit later again. It was like 10:20. So yeah, getting our day started a little bit later. I do have a lot to do, like I said yesterday. So I still have to finish cleaning all my makeup brushes, and I have to clean my sneakers. Not really wash them, but like clean them. And I have to pack my bag like for what I'm taking, because obviously I'm gonna take like an extra outfit. And yeah, so, and like toiletries and stuff like that. And what else? I said I had to do something else. I don't know if I'm gonna make anything to eat today. I have no idea what to make. I'll brainstorm and I'll watch TikToks to see what I can make, but yeah. My living room is never a mess, you guys. Like rarely ever. All there will be like shirts thrown on the couch sometimes, or like jackets on my work and leaves everywhere. So I don't really have to clean up much. I'm gonna clean the bedroom today, probably, maybe. It's kind of late. And yeah, that's the plan. But let's get coffee first and breakfast. Ooh, I made overnight oats last night, so let me show you guys. I made overnight oats last night, so I have it ready to go. I put way too much milk. I did almond milk, but I put too much because it's just on top. Let me see. Yeah, I put a lot of milk. That was my bad. I'm still gonna eat it. I still like it, so I'm still gonna eat it. All I put in here was some old-fashioned oats. These are the ones I used. And then I don't have any like sugar-free syrup, but I wanted to sweeten it. So I did a little bit of brown sugar, and then cinnamon and vanilla extract. And I'm gonna do my topping. So I'm gonna add a banana and blueberries and walnuts. So let me just get my coffee voice. Coffee first. I need to fill up the machine, the Keurig machine. We don't have water, like a big gallon of water. We haven't gotten one ever since we moved. So we literally use water bottles for everything. I know it's bad, but that's what we've been using. So let me fill up my machine. Cute. My cousin Jenny gave this to me like literally years ago. I think we did Secret Santa, and like it was literally years ago, and I love it. I use it every single year. My favorite coffee is this one. Comes in this box from Walmart. It's a Great Value brand, so it's the one I've been enjoying right now. Already repurchased it multiple times. I like to do 8 ounces. Let me get my coffee creamer. I showed you guys this one yesterday. Vanilla bean from Coffee Mate. And then let's get the banana for the oatmeal. I guess not. Did I make one? I was gonna make one. I guess not. I'm gonna do half of the banana. And then I just have a little bit of blueberries here. I'm gonna do blueberries. And I also have some walnuts that my mother gave. She had an extra bag, so she gave it to me. All I do, so I'm gonna take a handful like this, and then I just break them apart with my hand and just throw them in there. Tree is on. Struggling very on. Is that too dark? Hello guys, it's so dark in here because there's no natural sunlight that really comes in through my apartment, and like my blinds are closed right now, but either way when I open them there's not a lot of sunlight. But I like having them closed because I feel like I don't like it, people pass by and can see in here, so I don't like that. Anyways, I didn't show you guys my finished breakfast, my oatmeal and my coffee. I turned on the light so I can show you guys better, but here is the oatmeal with the blueberries, the bananas, and walnuts, my coffee. And like I said, we are gonna watch some Friends and enjoy our morning and then get to our chores. Okay, my cousin and my little sister are actually coming over. My cousin said she wanted to drop something off, and my little sister is coming just to come, obviously, like just to visit me. She was gonna go to my older sister's house, but my dad didn't let her, so I told her to just come over here because I live a lot closer to them. I have some coloring books here. This is the bag I'm taking. It was free from an Ulta purchase a long time ago. It's like a big tote bag, so I'm just gonna take this bag and put my stuff in there. But I had like all my like coloring books. I have like a Grinch coloring book, a big coloring book that I'm gonna put. This journal is so cute, you guys. I got it at the hospital. I got like a little self-care basket at the hospital after everything happened. It's from like what do you call it? Like a foundation of somebody that has been through what I went through, and they kind of just give gifts to the mommies that go through that as well. So that was very nice. But anyways, I'm gonna put this away because I need that bag to be empty. Luckily, I have an empty drawer over here. I can throw this in there for now, and when I get back, I can just put it back in the purse. Back in the purse. Okay, so all that's left is in here. I'm actually taking with me. So I have my Polaroid camera. I don't think I'm going to be taking this with me to actual Disney, but I'll just have it with me, like for California, to take pictures. I have extra film in here. And then I have a moisturizer, so I think I'm just going to take this as my moisturizer. I think. We'll see. I didn't show you guys the sweaters. Let me show you the sweaters. Look how freaking cute, you guys. Look at this sweater. It's so cute. Again, this is my cousin's boutique. So cute. I got it in a size large because I wanted it to be really comfy and oversized. I love pullovers. Like I have like a billion of them, you guys have seen probably, but I love to wear these really oversized with leggings. Love them. Anyways, it's super cute. Disneyland, California, red for the holidays, and then I'm gonna be wearing it with these leggings that I got. I think my boyfriend got me these at Ross. So yeah, that's the fit, and I'm gonna wash some black Adidas. Okay, I'm gonna pack my makeup bag. I just bought this one at Walmart. It's a Friends makeup bag. So let's get this started, shall we? Wait, do you think I should put my toiletries in the same bag? Yeah. Or oh, I have. Oh, these come. We can just take these like these because they already come in. Yeah, in the little. Let's open that, baby. So let's choose my makeup, shall we, guys? Okay, this right here. Bestie girls. Wait. Okay, foundation. I think I'm taking Lady Gaga foundation. Concealer. Thank you, baby. But you see, that's why I kind of didn't want it to be clear because then everything's gonna get so dirty. Whatever. Thank you. Well, and I can just wipe it down. Milani brightener, and then I need a concealer. I think I'm gonna take this one over here. I also need makeup brushes. Baby, sit. You can sit on there. You don't have a trash can in here? Yeah, over here. And fully have to. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I know, bro. If I get too comfy, I'm gonna fall asleep. No, baby, don't. Okay, here we go. Oh, girl, this is dirty. This is the NYX concealer. Oh, this cozy. She said, "Oh, wash." Oh my God, you're not. I thought you were hanging on NYX concealer. What, baby? The little ornament that you got. No, I wanted to put her right here. Okay. I'm gonna do my makeup. I'm not gonna do my makeup at 3 a.m. You know, I'm gonna do it in the car as we're getting closer. So we'll see how that turns out. Okay, I got foundation. I need, I guess, moisturizer. We can finish that. Moisturizer. Okay, I think I picked out everything that I'm gonna take, so I'm gonna start over so I can show you guys everything. So moisturizer, I have this e.l.f. moisturizer that has a little bit left that I'm trying to use up. And then I have primer. Where'd it go? This little Smashbox photo finish primer. And foundation, I have the House Labs, what is this called? Skin Tech Foundation. Concealer, I have the, first I have the brightener from Milani. This is a supercharged brightener. And then I have the concealer from NYX, so bear with me, concealer. And then to set my under eyes, the usual, I have a brand new Brighten Up powder from Essence. And powder, I'm just taking this one. I really like it, but I'm taking it because it's really small, from one size. And contour, cream contour. We're doing the Milani new Conceal and Perfect contour, liquid contour. And then liquid blush is Happy from Rare Beauty. It's a mini one, so perfect. And what else? Powdered contour. Oh, that's what I still need. Powdered bronzer. But for blush, I'm just gonna do Kylie's We're Going Shopping blush. It matches the Rare Beauty one really nice. And what else? For the eyes, I'm just gonna take this Teddy Bear palette from Too Faced. I've been really liking it. It's the one I've been using every day. It has a lot of neutrals. And then liner, my favorite liner currently is, where did I leave it? It's gone. Maybe I lost it. Oh, it's literally right in front of me. Let me clean it so it doesn't get my little bag dirty. Rare Beauty liner, love that. And lashes, my favorite lashes ever from Salon Perfect. Lash curler. I have a little mascara from what is this brand? Anastasia Beverly Hills that I'm gonna take because it's nice and little. And then I have a lash glue from Ioni. Hopefully my lashes don't come flying off. I'm alright because it's not my normal lash glue that I use, but the other one is so gross and like sticky. So I'm gonna take this one. And brows, I have my usual e.l.f. duo here. What is this called? Tweezers. My tweezers. I have two lip liners just in case they're really similar, but just to see what my mood is. And then setting spray. I think I'm just gonna do this really small one from NYX, the matte finish setting spray. This one is more long lasting though, but this one is so little and cute and I'm never gonna get to use it. I don't know. Think about that. But I have blotting sheets that I'm also gonna take. I'll just take them in the bag, not in this one. Let me get contour before I forget. And then I have a highlighter. I'm Resi and Anastasia. And that is it for the makeup. Okay. I'm gonna start putting everything in this bag, guys. So I'm gonna do... So my makeup bag is gonna go in here. And then I have my brushes in this little Morphe bag that I had. And I'm just gonna take these things. I don't have another bag. I wanted like another bag for like my little like toiletries, I guess. But I have hand cream and body lotion, toothbrush, little body wash, and some body spray. I have like a little body spray. It doesn't have a lot, but I just want to finish it up. And then I have hand sanitizer. Obviously, I have this little cute holder that my sister gave me. How do you put this in there? Baby, is this meant for a Bath and Body Works thing? How do you put it on?
It is. It should be.
And I have also some blotting sheets. And I have my sponge. So I'm going to put my sponge in my makeup bag. And, oh, I have my makeup removing cloth. And then I'm just going to take an extra outfit in here. Obviously for the next day. And in case... I don't know if I should take 2 extra outfits. Because what if we get wet and we have to go back to the...
If you get wet...
From like the ride, the one, this one ride that Jose wants to get on. I don't know what it's called.
Girl, you wanna get on the ride
Here's
that you girl like
no girl.
literally be...
Here's the. I don't even think they open those during this time, I think. I don't know.
Is it like
Can't
a
tell the
log
texture.
ride, the one that Jose wants to get on?
No. Okay, and then I'm also taking, obviously, my camera like I showed you guys, and I have my cute Disney ears. I got these at Walmart. They have like a clear section at Walmart, and it was from that section. It was like $6. Because ain't nobody spending like, what, $40 on the ears that they sell over there. Okay, I think that's it. And I just have to pack my extra outfit or extra 2 outfits or whatever I'm gonna take, and that is everything. I look like a mess, but I'm waiting for my boyfriend in the car. He went to get some flowers at Trader Joe's because we're gonna go to the cemetery because today is the 1 month like anniversary, I guess, is that what you would say, like, of Aaron's birth slash passing, I guess, birth. So he would have been a month today. That's crazy. But we're gonna go to the cemetery and leave him some flowers, and then we're just gonna go home and eat. And honestly, we're gonna go to sleep pretty early. I'm gonna take a shower and probably sleep right away because we're gonna leave early in the morning, like in the middle of the night. So yeah, that's the plan. So I'm just waiting for him, and yeah, I'll talk to you guys when I get back home. So I showered and finished packing, and now I'm in bed because it's like 8 already. So we're gonna try to get some sleep, and I will see you guys in a little bit. I'll see you guys like at 3 a.m. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.